5G compatible. Omnidirectional coverage. Supports multiple cellular devices on all carrier networks. Replaces original seat or dash-mounted antenna included in drive reach kits. Attaches directly to SMA connectors on drive reach boosters. WeBoost provides expert US-based customer support through our app, chat, phone, or email, and we guarantee our products with a 2-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly, thank you. My dog Abbie, rest her soul, tripped over the cable so many times that it broke my old antenna. I bought this product and it was perfect. It restored my service and works as well as the original manufacturer. Good job, thank you so much. Great replacement. Our signal booster quit working. We had absolutely no service for days and could not figure out the problem. My husband started to take everything apart and found the antenna brass connection was broken, therefore it was not sending out a signal. We purchased this, at a very fair price, considering the signal booster was over $300, with hopes it would fix the issue. Sure enough, fixed the issue and gave us even better service than we have been able to receive in a long time. I think the brass connector being broken was the issue all along. Highly recommend.